Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to show you how to get a 24-hour curl in your lashes. So we're following this on from the sleek eyebrow tutorial that I did. So all you need is a pair of eyelash curlers and you're going to need a waterproof mascara. Now, here's the trick. The first thing you do is you take a waterproof mascara, which is here. I'm going to use TIGHTLINE because I love it. And now you want to get rid of it. Get rid of everything that's on that brush. You want almost nothing on there. So you're really going to just get rid of it. It's all nonsense, way too much. Now with whatever's left on, before you curl your lashes, I want you to apply the faintest amount, and it has to be waterproof, okay? And the reason being is because waterproof mascaras are oil-based and normal mascaras are water-based. And what happens if you curl your hair with a heated curling tong and put water in it? The curl goes out. So you want to apply the faintest amount and it will dry instantaneously because there's nothing on there. So give it 30 seconds, whatever. Now I want you to take your eyelash curler and you're going to clamp the lashes at the root and you're going to hold this, and you're now going to hold this for 30 seconds. So we're going to speed. Now you're going to let go. And now you're going to do the same thing again, okay? Before we finish, because there's still more to do. You're going to knock off all that excess. Really important, okay? Nothing on there. In fact, you can just take the wand and pick up whatever's left on the back of your hand. And you're now going to just go back in and do that again, okay? Really, really gently. And give it a few seconds. I mean, this is not something you're going to do daily because it's just so bloody long. Now curl your lashes again, right at the root, and this time squeeze it and invert the eyelash curler. So you're pushing it back into your eye socket and leave it 30 seconds. Okay, and now release. The eyelashes are now very, very curled. Now you can go in and apply any mascara you want. You can use a water-based one, you can use a waterproof mascara, whatever you want, you can now go in. But if you're leaving it, if you're doing 2 microfine coats of waterproof mascara and 2 sets of curling for at least 30 seconds. For stubborn lashes, you can go in for a minute each one. Then you can apply your mascara and be happy. Your eyelashes will stay curled. And here's another little tip for some of you who don't enjoy the way that eyelashes can look when you clamp them down. What happens is when you clamp an eyelash down like so, and you curl it, when you let go, you can be left with a kind of like a tick. If you don't like that, and some people do, I quite like it, but if you don't, when you're clamping down, clamp down at the root and squeeze, then release, walk it up a little bit on the lashes and squeeze again, and then walk it up again. And that way you're getting a full curl as opposed to the little tick, which can happen a lot. Some people hate it. I quite like it, but each their own. But that's how to get that really kind of cool flick. And that is how to get your lashes to stay on all day long, at least curled. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.